Let's address the problem directly. Marvel Rivals party chat issues typically arise from a combination of factors: server-side limitations on NetEase's end, client-side configuration problems on your device, and even platform-specific quirks, especially when playing cross-platform. These can manifest as an inability to hear teammates, dropped connections mid-game, or failure to join parties in the first place. As of early 2026, while patches have improved things, issues still persist for some players. Before diving into complex fixes, start with these quick troubleshooting steps to resolve common party chat issues in Marvel Rivals. First, restart your game and device. Close Marvel Rivals completely, then reopen it. If problems continue, perform a full restart of your computer, console, or mobile device. Next, ensure your internet connection is stable. Test your upload speed to confirm it's at least 10 megabytes per second. For the best results, use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. Third, check the Marvel Rivals server status. Visit the official website or community forums like Reddit to see if there are any ongoing outages, as server issues can disrupt party chat. Fourth, verify that Marvel Rivals has microphone access. Go to your device's settings and grant microphone permissions. Also check the in-game audio settings to ensure voice chat is enabled. Finally, update your audio drivers. Open Device Manager on Windows and check for sound driver updates, as outdated drivers frequently cause voice communication problems. If these quick fixes don't resolve your party chat issues, proceed to more advanced troubleshooting. Marvel Rivals Party Chat uses peer-to-peer connections that depend on a stable network setup. Let's explore the key network configurations that can resolve connection issues. Party Chat relies on peer-to-peer connections, where voice data travels directly between players without going through central servers. This requires your network to allow these direct connections. The game needs UDP ports 5000 through 5500 to be open in your router's firewall. This allows the peer-to-peer connections to establish properly. Your NAT type determines how easily other players can connect to you. Open or moderate NAT types work well for party chat, but strict NAT can prevent connections from establishing properly. Virtual private networks can interfere with the direct peer-to-peer connections needed for voice chat. If possible, disable your VPN while playing Marvel Rivals. Switching from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection can significantly reduce packet loss and improve voice chat stability. The direct cable connection provides more reliable data transmission. These network configurations can dramatically improve your Marvel Rivals party chat experience. Marvel Rivals includes a party chat diagnostic tool in the settings menu, added in patch 3.4. Use this to automatically test your network latency, firewall settings, and audio drivers. Within the game's audio settings, ensure the correct microphone and output device are selected and properly configured. Adjust voice chat volume levels to ensure you can hear your teammates clearly. Cross-platform play between PC and consoles like PlayStation and Xbox can be particularly problematic for Marvel Rivals party chat connections. If you're experiencing issues connecting to friends on different platforms, try disabling IPv6 in your router settings. This simple change has resolved connection problems for many users. Note that cross-platform voice chat can sometimes be limited due to proprietary codecs used by different gaming platforms, which may affect audio quality or connectivity. If the in-game party chat continues to fail, consider using third-party voice chat applications like Discord as a workaround. NetEase officially supports Discord overlays, and many players find them more reliable. Remember to mute your in-game voice chat to avoid double audio input. This workaround has reduced connection failures by 30% according to community surveys. This approach can significantly improve your communication during matches. If the troubleshooting steps from earlier sections haven't resolved your party chat issues, it might be a more complex problem requiring expert help. Start by checking the official Marvel Rivals forums and community pages for user-reported issues and solutions that match your situation. If the community resources don't help, contact NetEase support directly through their official channels. They're equipped to handle persistent technical issues. When contacting support, provide detailed information about your system specifications, network setup, and all the troubleshooting steps you've already attempted. This comprehensive information helps NetEase diagnose and fix the problem more efficiently. This detailed approach ensures the best chance of resolution for your party chat connectivity issues. NetEase is actively working on improving party chat reliability. Expect further improvements in upcoming patches, including the promised overhaul in patch 4.0, expected Q2 2026. Keep an eye on official announcements for updates and new features, such as AI-driven network optimization and potential integration with Meta voice platforms. Stay patient and keep reporting issues to help improve the game for everyone.